Here I am mucking around with my mini lathe again. This time I've decided to add some smarts to it. So I'm going to actually add an electronic lead screw, and it also will control the carriage not only on the Z axis but also the cross slide. So I should be able to automate things like cutting a bolt or cutting a thread. All I've done so far is got the electronics kit in from Rockatronics. This is the ELS for basic. They also do a pro version of it, and I got the accessory kit, which is a whole bunch of stepper motors, drivers, those sort of things. This is the actual brains of the unit. The rest of the electronics is all just hanging out on the side at the moment. I'll need to build a cabinet to put all of that in. All I've done is mounted the spindle encoder, so we've got the speed, the RPMs of what the actual spindle is turning at, and we've got the Z axis stepper motor attached to the lead screw, and we're going to see how all of that works. To get to this stage, all I've had to do so far is just pull off the gearbox and banjo. So that was in there like that. 4 bolts, pulls it off, and then I've got plenty of room to actually then do things like mount the motor and the encoder. Alright, let's crank it up and see what happens. So the little LCD that comes on this, there's a little magnet here that tries to read the RPMs. It's saying it's 938, and it's not too far off what the encoder's saying. So the encoder's saying it's 943. The other thing that this box controls, apart from the automation, is simple things like you can move the carriage backwards and forwards. And that's as far as I've got so far. Next stage will be to box all of this in and work out how on earth to attach the stepper motor to the cross slide. That's going to be a bit more of a challenge, I think. Anyway, stay tuned. I'll be doing some more over this in the coming weeks.